What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Paulie C with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, coming at you with another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. There's my lovely assistant, my wife Lisa, helping me out today. And what she's doing is using the 1.5 IK foam sprayer. And we've got, I put a little less this time, about maybe an ounce of awesome Encap in the jug, and then filled it up with warm water, shook it up, and it's producing fantastic foam. It is cleaning like crazy. In fact, the mitt that we're using, after each piece of upholstery, you can see we've got 3 chairs, an ottoman, and a big sectional. We're having to wring out the gloves, and here I decided to pick up a couple packs of these white towels at Walmart for $4 for 18 in a pack. And I think they're probably a terry cloth, but I've been having problems with the Harbor Freight polisher hanging onto the 8-inch polar pads. And so I decided that I would just try using the cloths, and they actually worked pretty good. I do recommend, if you try that, you wet them first and then use them. I would say hopefully that Damon has an 8-inch Glad pad. I don't know. I have to check the website. I'm not sure. But I think something a little more floppy, more like a towel substance, will hold on to the Velcro a lot better. And I would love to use an 8-inch Glad pad versus these. I mean, these do the job, but I don't know. It's kind of hokey pokey, but man, it certainly cleaned like crazy. You can see I got to clean out the Velcro on the pad driver on this thing. But it does the job, cleaning beautiful. The 2 pieces here, this has actually got, the fabric is acrylic. So you got to be really careful with acrylic. The foam's not going to hurt it. I already pre-tested a couple of oils on it. Should be absolutely fine. You can see the towel's doing a great job, but boy, it is too big for this. So kick back and enjoy. We got some rooms to do as well. I'll try and catch up with you and show you that as well. All right, so here we're still working on these. Got to get them all cleaned up. This one is like a kind of a crushed velvet, and it gets, until I comb it out with a brush, it's going to have these patterns or darker looks to it. That's just shading, totally normal. It's been cleaned, and you'll see, I'll try and show you. I can't show you. I have to use the regular brush to brush it up uniform. I will do that before I leave. However, we're going to be doing 4 rooms in this house. I'll show you some work on this one. Looking fabulous. Okay, so here, look at this. The original I'm an Island Boy. The Island Boys, June 27th, 2015. And here you could see the guy on the drums. This is his room. He's a lot older now, obviously. What, 6 years older, almost 7 years older? But look at that. They had a concert out here. It's kind of a staged fun thing for kids, and they called themselves the Island Boys. So if you're familiar with the TikToks, I'm an island boy. I got my vest on, yeah. Something like that. All right, back to the cleaning. Looking beautiful. There's the pad. You can check that out. I'll show you a little contrast. That is an Ironman 100% cotton pad, and of course that was the swirly floor machine, cleaning it up like a champ. Oh yeah, I'm gonna let my wife put some triangles down. Then we're gonna pack up that Hoover Hush Tone. Oh yeah, we cleaned, we vacuumed first, we edged. Now she's gonna adjust that pole and lay some beautiful triangles in. So we appreciate you watching another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. I hope this video finds you at a good point in time in your life. Enjoy, relax, don't take things too seriously. Oh no, it's all about the now. There's the final results. You guys take it easy. We'll see you in the next one.